Some of Apple's most iconic products include the iPhone, iPad, Mac computers, Apple Watch, and AirPods. The company's software ecosystem revolves around its operating systems, such as iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Apple has also developed numerous software applications. Some of Apple's Apple is making waves in the shoe industry with its rare Apple Rainbow logo sneakers, which are now up for auction at an astounding price of $50,000. These custom-made sneakers were originally created for Apple employees during the 1990s and were never available for sale to the public. Designed like standard white leather jogging shoes, the standout feature of these Apple sneakers is the presence of two discontinued rainbow-colored Apple logos, one on the tongue and another on the side. Considered to be highly obscure and collectible, the sneakers come in a box and may have a slight yellowing around the corners due to age. The Apple sneakers are offered in US size 10.5 and European size 41, and the box includes an additional pair of red laces. As part of the growing trend of collecting Apple memorabilia, these sneakers have garnered significant interest from collectors, contributing to their sky-high price tag. Apple memorabilia has been increasingly sought after by collectors, with items like first edition iPhones and personal belongings of Apple's founder, Steve Jobs, fetching exorbitant prices at auctions. The demand for these rare and historical artifacts has been driving their value to unprecedented levels. While the $50,000 price tag for the Apple sneakers may seem steep, collectors and enthusiasts of Apple products continue to express their willingness to invest in these valuable pieces of tech history. The auction serves as a testament to the enduring appeal of Apple's iconic brand and its impact on popular culture. Subscribe, like, and share for more informative videos.